Hello friends, my name is Srinivas and I welcome you to my channel Coding Skills. As part of this video, we will learn how to reverse a string in a different style of pattern. Basically, this program was requested by one of the subscriber. So based on that, I'm just trying to develop this program. Let me show the comment for your reference. This is the other video where I could say a comment. So this is the input they are trying to enter and they are expecting this output. So they want an optimized solution for this kind of reverse. Let's see how we can implement the same using a simple Java program. I'm switching back to Eclipse editor. So for this program, we only need a scanner object, which I have imported. Put java.util.scanner to read some data from the keyboard. Within a main method, I'm just printing a message. Please enter a string. Created instance for the scanner and mapped it to input stream. String str equal to sc.next line. So we are performing a basic check here. If the input string is not entered, like suppose for example if the length itself is 0, that means if the string dot trim dot length equal to 0, that means we need to ask the user to enter a valid string, right? So we are printing a message, please enter a valid string. Suppose if the given string is valid, then we are in else block we are calling a method for which we are passing a string variable what we have read from the input stream. Reverse pattern str. So public static void reverse pattern is a static method. So for that we are passing the what we have, right? Within this method we are performing the actual logic. First step what we are doing is we are splitting the string with the spaces. str.split the respective space character. As and when the split identifies a more than one word, so it is going to give us a string array. Once string array is identified, so we are going to iterate on the string array. So string buffer all words equal to new string buffer. We are using a for each loop for string word, and we are using a word string array. All words dot append. So we are appending all the words word by word into a string buffer. So what exactly this does is this is going to remove the spaces and it's going to concatenate, combine all the words together. So for reference, I'm just printing the same. So string without spaces, we are printing all words variable. Then we are trying to reverse the sentence that got combined here. So string reverse str equal to all words dot reverse, and we are converting again into string because all words is a string buffer. String buffer has a that reverse method. This is going to reverse the complete string, and this is once again returns a string buffer variable, and I am trying to capture in a string variable. Hence, I need to use a toString method to convert the string buffer into string. Once you have the reverse string, so I'm just printing a same variable reverse string without spaces equal to the respective variable name. So here we are printing a with without spaces. Here also without spaces, but the thing is here is not a reversed one, here is a reversed one. So now we have both the values handy with us. Now it's time to perform the actual logic. Declare two integer variables in starting index equal to 0 and next index equal to 0. String buffer final string equal to new string buffer. In this variable we are going to store the final calculated string. String temp str equal to null. We are initializing with some variable, some default value. Again using a for each loop on the add words array that we have split here. So string word and words array. So what we are going to do is we are going to find the length of the each word, and based on that we are going to cut the respective number of characters from the reverse string. So here is the logic. Next index equal to next index plus words dot length. So we are going to identify the length of each word and come adding it to the next index. So right now the initially next index was 0. So he will be getting the first word length. Temp str equal to reverse str dot substring starting index, comma next index. This is going to give you the substring, the respective word based on the length what you have calculated here. And we are appending that. The final string dot append temp string plus space. We are going to add a space after each and every word that you are appending into the string buffer. Once we are appending the done with appending the value, so we need to compute the starting index. The start index equal to next index, because once we are done with the first word, we need to jump to the next word, right? So that's where like that the next word starting time should be reassigned accordingly. Once we are done with this for loop, we will be getting the result as expected. That means we are printing a final string variable. So let's run the program, how we can see the result. I'll perform an A2 testing without entering. So please enter validation, because this is the basic condition it was checking here. Let's run by entering a valid string value. I'll copy the same input what it was requested in the by the subscriber. I'm not a string. So string without spaces. Reverse string without spaces. So it's going to reverse of this value. So from this here, if you see the result, so if you observe here, the logic, the style of pattern is based on the length of each words, we are going to cut from the final string, right? So this is only one character. So we got one character from the this final string, two characters, and we also got next two characters, and next is three characters. We got next is three characters. The same next is five characters, right? See, so five characters. That's the logic here. Based on the length, we are cutting to, we are trying to get the result out of it. Let's run it with a different value. You'll see the same thing. So here we have seven characters. Seven characters are going to be the same way to here, right? This is how it is. I'll run it with a different program, different iteration. So for this one, I did not have any spaces and only had only one space. So accordingly, you'll see the result out of it. Please like the video and share it with your friends. In case if you are looking for any specific program, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to make that video as early as possible. Thank you, and once again, bye.